Live stream e-commerce is a business model where products and services are showcased and sold via online video live streaming sessions. Hosts of these sessions can range from retail sales representatives to celebrities or influencers. Viewers can interact with the hosts by asking questions, receiving real-time responses, and placing orders directly during the live stream. Live stream shopping has been a trend in China for several years. Meanwhile, in other parts of the world, this innovative shopping method is also gaining attention. US shoppers, for instance, can view live stream sessions on TikTok, where brands and celebrities demonstrate products, allowing viewers to place orders simultaneously. As many companies explore this domain to see how live streaming can augment their business, it's crucial to evaluate if your products are fit for the live stream selling model. Based on our usability testing with Chinese live stream shoppers, we identified that products with the following attributes benefit most from live streaming. First, live demonstrations clarify important product features. For example, beauty and skincare products heavily depend on trial sessions. Live streaming lets consumers observe the product's texture. A study participant also appreciated using live streams for tea shopping to see the beverage's appearance. Second, live stream helps when the products or services are highly personal and complicated and benefit from Q&A. One participant noted the value of wine live streams because the hosts used very accurate words to describe the flavor and made tailored recommendations based on viewers' real-time comments. Third, celebrities or influencers can significantly amplify product popularity. For instance, fashion items like clothes and jewelry can leverage live streaming in two ways: allowing models to try on and combine different items upon viewer request, and utilizing celebrity endorsements to drive sales. Fourth, if showcasing products during varied times or by different presenters adds value, live streaming is beneficial. A participant, for example, utilized live streams to view vacation homes at different times of the day. However, if your products have these attributes, you might want to rethink the live streaming approach. First, products that are cheap, commonplace, and easily replaced might not be ideal for live streaming. Watching live stream sessions requires extra cognitive resources and adds interaction costs, so users won't do it if it doesn't bring additional value. For example, none of our participants watched live stream sessions when they shopped for disinfecting wipes or cotton slippers, since they believed that those products were consumables and didn't want to spend extra time on live stream sessions. Still, exceptions might exist for significant price drops or flash sales during a live stream. Second, if the audience is unfamiliar with your brand or products, they may not be inclined to invest time in your live stream. The sequential nature of videos can make it challenging for users to quickly extract desired information. Those who encounter your live stream session accidentally without awareness of your products will likely lose patience and leave quickly. Third, the products or services are very expensive and people have high expectations. Participants expressed a preference for in-person visits for luxury items like a BMW car, seeking an exclusive experience. Similarly, Gucci, a luxury brand, provided one-on-one live stream sessions to mimic this high, personalized in-person shopping experience. Live stream e-commerce offers a dynamic platform for real-time interaction and product demonstration. While ideal for many products, especially those benefiting from live engagement and influencer endorsement, it's essential to assess product suitability. Brands should consider their product type and audience's familiarity to ensure effective live stream engagement.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here, and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live, hands-on training.